basic English phrase. I wake up at 6 a.m. I wake up at 6 a.m. I get out of bed. I get out of bed. I make my bed. I make my bed. I brush my teeth. I brush my teeth. I wash my face. I wash my face. I take a shower. I take a shower. I get dressed. I get dressed. I comb my hair. I comb my hair. I make breakfast. I make my breakfast. I eat breakfast. I eat breakfast. I pack my lunch. I pack my lunch. I leave the house. I leave the house. I go to work. I go to work. I start working. I start working. I attend a class. I attend a class. I write email. I write emails. I talk to my classmate. I talk to my classmate. I have a coffee break. I have a coffee break. I have a coffee break. I finish my task. I finish my task. I go shopping. I go shopping. I clean the house. I clean the house. I take a nap. I take a nap. I prepare dinner. I prepare dinner.